Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you remember yesterday, wasn't quite done. I wasn't done in this room. Everything was laying on the floor, so I went ahead and finished this room up, got all the home runs down. Luckily I cut a big enough hole. Could stick all the wires down the feeder hole right there. So went ahead and got these started in the morning, strapped up outside the hole, going down the beam over here. Kind of noisy, sorry. So I got those running down. Most of those drop off for the kitchen. A couple of these drop down for the island, the dishwasher and disposal. So I just got those laying on the floor. So this is what the kind of building looks like. Kind of got this corner over here, the they call it the west wing, and this is the north wing over here going this direction. So these are all apartments. Should be 22 units on each floor on 5th and 6th floor, so 44 units, and we've been pulling home runs for like a week, like 4 days. So we've probably gotten like, I don't know, maybe 8 or 10 units done. I'm not sure, maybe like 12. Once we finish the west wing over here, we're gonna jump back and start making up, or we're gonna start pulling the jumpers and everything else in the room. So right now we're just pulling the home runs, and then we'll be pulling all the rest of the circuits, helping do that once we finish this, which could take another, I don't know, maybe another week, I don't know, at the most. So anyways, moving on. So we got this room finished, this half unit right here. Then we went into this room over here, and went into this room over here and finished this whole unit over here. Or was this the one we did yesterday? I don't remember. Anyways, got like 2 more done, so I think maybe I showed you that one yesterday. So it's probably this room right here, on the back side, which we had to feed through all these studs again, which is kind of annoying, but gotta do what you gotta do because the sheetrock's not on. Otherwise we could have mounted the C-clips again. So went along the back side of here. Turned out pretty nice. Going over here down to the kitchen again, and then on the next room. So probably gonna be pulling home runs for maybe another week at the most. So sorry this is kind of boring, but sometimes you get stuck doing the same thing for weeks on end, and sometimes you do 10 different things in a day. So just kind of is what it is. So that home run kind of popped out right there, but went ahead in this room, same thing, coming out of the panel down the wall. So got these panels right here. So once again, just hopping over. These are the same kind of unit, and most of these are the same unit, the 1 bedroom, just a big square box. So these are the washer dryer. These go to the kitchen over there. Show you these once again. Kept that as best as we could. Looks pretty decent. Got those laying on the floor over there. Moving on. Did this kind of half unit over here. So didn't finish all of this. Basically just did the kitchen. Pulled the kitchen circuits, home runs over to the kitchen, and then they're moving a whole bunch of walls in this unit. So just waiting on the second half of this unit. They're messing with the bathroom over here. So they're moving this, making this a 2x4 wall into a 2x6. So we don't have the boxes mounted, luckily. So they're probably going to take this wall out eventually, I think, and make it bigger, or they're somehow going to fur it out. So you can't do the bedroom circuit, can't do the bathroom circuit. Actually, the bathroom circuit's going to be on this wall right here. And then they're moving the washer and dryer, where their washer and dryer is going, over to here, I think he said. So we can't do anything. So just holding off the living room circuit. I think we skipped that, but that's not even mounted yet. But actually I might have pulled that wire, I'm not sure. But so we got the living room left, the bathroom, the bathroom, the washer, the dryer, and the water heater we don't have the wire for. So knocked out all the kitchen stuff right here. Kitchen 1, kitchen 2, microwave, dishwasher, disposal, range, and then the FCU, which is the heater thing up in the ceiling. So Got that done. And then moving on over here, we were skipping that half unit, so kind of got like 2.5 units, and then we would have got some more done in here, but the hooks weren't mounted, so we'll have to mount some hooks tomorrow. Probably just going to mount the hooks on the back side of this wall, go down here to the kitchen, which is on the left side over here. But we did mount this panel here at the end of the day, 48 to the top breaker, top mount panel. So mounted the spreader bars there, and then just screwed that on there, and then cut that circle out right there for the feeder, and big enough for the rest of the wires to come down. So I just have to mount the spreader bars for this panel right here, and then strip the wires, stick the feeder into the 2-screw connector right here, and then land those wires whenever, and then pull the home runs and stuff like that. So still have to do these units on this side and the units on that side over there, so there's probably at least another 10 to go or whatnot. So anyways, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a house walkthrough on Monday. So it's kind of getting dark out, as you can tell, working longer hours still, so videos will be coming out later, like I said yesterday, and it's going to be a little bit darker, so I apologize. But I did change my name, if you didn't notice. Change it to the Daily Electrician, but without the so it's just Daily Electrician. So hopefully you guys don't mind that, and hopefully it helps out the channel, because it's more related to what I make videos about every day. So anyways, thanks for the suggestions and the help for those people who voted. It did have the most votes, so thank you for that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Check the description for anything else like social media, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your night. Peace out.